everyone, and welcome back. It's your girl Yanni, and we are back for a special video today. As you can tell from the title, we are house shopping. So before I go ahead and get into the video, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to your girl, and let's check out these houses. So first things first, I'm so sorry in advance about the quality of this video, being that it was a last minute decision to film. So I used my phone and slowed it down so you all could see everything. But let's go ahead and talk about this first house. So to be honest with you guys, I actually love this first place, and I'll tell you why. This place is so bold and beautiful and modern, which is exactly one of the things that we were looking for in a home. So the first thing that you see coming up is the living room and the kitchen area, which, oh my goodness, this kitchen, you guys, is so freaking beautiful. I love it. I could literally picture myself literally just like cooking meals and having my wine already. So then after the kitchen area, then we've got the powder room, and then after that, the first bedroom is the master bedroom. By the way, this is a model home, and I just love the way it was furnished. So I could kind of get like a real feel for everything and any ideas I might have as far as how I'd like to decorate. I love the windows in this master and the open space. I also like the closet, although I did maybe want it to be like a little bigger, but it's not too big of a deal. And I think the way that it was structured was really cool. Just like all the different options of ways to organize instead of just having the closet racks is better to me personally.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality.
Now I'll take you into the master bathroom, which was really cool to me. It came with this floating his and hers sinks, as well as a stand-in rain shower and a bathtub. And you guys, just check out the lighting in here. Like, the tub was a little on the skinny side, but the bathroom and concept was literally 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Okay. And then, of course, it came with a private toilet, which seems like a small thing, but really it comes in so clutch. So that was that. Okay, so that was that for the second floor, and now we're gonna check out the third floor. And right as we get to the top, there's an open area that would be so perfect for an office space. I love the way that it was set up. I mean, honestly, that's probably exactly how it would be set up if we actually were to move and pick this house. But I just thought this was like a perfect area for working, for filming, for editing, for like, this is a perfect space. The amount of lighting, honestly, was also very beautiful. So the next thing that you see coming off that is you got this lovely laundry room. So you're going to have to put a washer and dryer, and that's fine. But the setup is awesome, and I love this big sliding door. I was obsessed, you guys. This door is so beautiful. I don't know why I have an obsession with sliding doors. But coming off the laundry room, you're going to have like the first guest bedroom up here, and it comes with like the regular closet. It just has some racks in there, and then the two doors, which I think like the two doors like just kind of go with the house, like how they're set up, like the wood with the black. It looks really clean and nice to me. And then you have this sliding door for the bathroom, which these two bedrooms up here share. But again, you have the floating sinks, and it's like the same vibe as the master bathroom. And it still has like the lighting and everything, and then it has like this is the full bathroom. So after that, then you've got the second guest bedroom, and this is the closet in there. So it's actually a little bigger and kind of got some different ways for you to organize stuff in there as well, which I really like that one. Like these closets are actually really amazing, and I'm definitely a closet person. So I love how it's not just like your ordinary racks, and then also another big window for this guest bedroom. And I love that. Like, I love this house, you guys. This one might be one of my faves, but we have more to check out. So okay, so now we get to look at the second house, which when you first walk in, I'm gonna show you guys like how big the garage is. So I think it was like a 2-car garage, which is, it's nice. We only have 2 cars right now, but we're about to get a 3rd one soon. So this is the first guest bedroom, but it's actually, they use it as the office for like the model home, which I thought is actually a cool idea. But you can use it as a guest bedroom. I feel like we would use it as a guest bedroom, and it comes with a full bathroom and a closet. The closet was a little small, but I mean, it's just a guest bedroom. It doesn't need to be super humongous, and it's just extra space, so it's really cool. But yeah, it comes with a shower and everything on this first floor, which I think is pretty nice. I love this bathroom. Then we're gonna go upstairs, and I kind of like the little wraparound stairs. I don't know how I feel about it every day, but I mean, I can get over it. A little extra size. But you walk up, and then there's like your dining and living room area, which is a nice space. And I like that the guest bedroom is kind of like separate, just in case somebody don't want to stay on the same floor with you. But this living room and the kitchen is really nice. It's a really cozy, homey feel. We would have to get a refrigerator, but it's not a big deal either. I love the white cabinets, but I also kind of don't, because I feel like they'll get dirty kind of quickly. So I don't know about that, but it looks cute. Then you have like your powder room is over here as well. This one actually has a balcony, which is not like a big balcony, and you can see straight across from other people, which I don't know if I particularly like that, but I do like the balcony space and the amount of light coming into the room. So now we're gonna head to the 3rd floor, because that was the 2nd floor, and the 3rd floor has the laundry room, which is like right off left of these stairs. And then it has the guest bedroom as well as the master. So this guest bedroom up here also has a full bathroom, and I like the lighting in here as well. And then it also has a little bit of a bigger closet on the 3rd floor. I'd be forgetting what floor we're on, honestly. But the bathroom looks really nice. It looks really clean, you know. Guest bedroom vibes. And then this is the master bathroom, you guys. Isn't this so freaking cute? I love this bathtub. I love this bathtub. And it's separate from the shower, unlike the first one. But it's still cool. Solar rain shower. It looks so really cute. Oh my goodness. It's still got a private toilet, Sean. You know what I'm saying? But this bathroom is literally so freaking cute. I love how they decorated it. Like, it's still very simple. Like, that's just amazing to me. And then this is like the master bedroom, which has a lot of space. I love the windows. It's really cute. This closet, however, I feel like it was really basic, but some people actually might like that. Like, it just is mainly racks and then that little space that you can use for whatever I guess you would like to use it for, which made it kind of look bigger too. Okay, so now we enter into the 3rd house. This is starting off with the master bedroom, which is so beautiful. I think I love the wood and everything, and then I love that it has 2 closets. It has a small balcony, but this is one of the smaller closets that's like actually in the room. And then I'll take you guys into the bathroom, which these sinks are actually separated, so there's just one on each side for his or hers. I don't mind that, I guess. It's just like the mirror situation. We have to look at each other, which I don't know. It still looks cute, but I don't know that this is like my favorite setup. I love this bathtub. This bathtub is fire. Another rain shower. That shower looks fire. And then a private toilet, and it has some storage space. I like that as well. The storage space is kind of cool, so you can just have toilet paper in there. And then this big walk-in closet, still kind of a little basic, and it has carpet in there. I don't know how I feel about that, but I mean, I guess it's fine. But yeah, I liked how the other ones didn't have carpet in there. I don't know. And then they have the laundry room, which actually has a lot of space in there. I like that. I like that a lot. And I like the flooring in there. And then here's the first guest bedroom. I didn't want to walk on the carpet because I don't like messing up people's carpet lines. Am I the only one that has this closet? The closet is a decent size. It's just those racks. I don't know what that is for me. But we'll go into the other, oh, there was a hall closet, I forgot. Bear with me, guys. I'm not like a perfect person to show homes. But this is the second guest bedroom. 2 little windows, you know, it was cool. The closet, I thought this room had a decent amount of space in there. And then the closet in here, again, just like the basic racks or whatever. It's at least a nice amount of space in there for the guests to hang up whatever, or if we use it as an office, it'll be a nice amount of space. And this was the guest bathroom. One of the lights was out, not a big deal. But I really like how the guest bathroom was. I like how the stuff is, I don't know, decorated in here. And I like the flooring as well. I'm gonna take you guys, this is the dining room, which I thought was so freaking cute, and I want that painting for my own house that we have right now, like the apartment that we have right now. But I like the dining room area a lot. And then the kitchen, it was cool. The kitchen was cool. The first place kitchen was like my favorite, so. But I like the living room and the fact that it kind of has like a backyard, and then it had some closet space over there, some little storage space. But I like this one a lot. And then the stairs were also really cute, and which you'll see right here for just a quick second. And then there's a powder room on this first floor as well. So this one only had 2 floors, but it still had like a good amount of space throughout the house, which I liked. But it didn't seem like there was that much lighting in this living room, so I don't know how I felt about that. But that is the end of the tour, you guys. So I don't know if you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you put in the comments and leave me a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like this when we go look up some more houses. But let me know which one was you guys' favorite house, okay? And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.